Okay guys, today a very super food, absolutely the best. Beef liver with eggs and pork belly. It's not bacon, it's not cure, it's just we need some fat from an animal and very good food. Easy to make, some oil in the pan. We're going straight away with liver. We're gonna pan fry pork belly, some salt, how much you like, and some pepper. When it's ready that, I'm gonna cook 2 fried eggs. It's not rubbish food, it's very good stuff. If you like, of course, but I invited you to eat this kind of food because it's good for your body and for everything. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website Cooking with Italia. We are not master chef, but we cook very well. Okay, absolutely delicious. If you like some spicy, put it. It's working very well. That's it. 3 minutes per side. Flip over everything. The pork belly the way you like. You can make crispy like bacon, you know. Put a little bit more salt and pepper. But that's it. If you like, you can put some butter, but I won't leave just olive oil and done. Another couple minutes is ready to eat. For my taste, this is done. I leave here in the plate just a little bit to rest. I do the fried egg. Okay? Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Some salt on the egg you can, or some black pepper. This gonna be my dinner, can be your breakfast, up to you. It's absolutely delicious. I like some fresh chili on the top and a fresh spring onion on the top. This is my beef liver with egg and pork belly strips. Absolutely delicious. If you like, guys, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!